Capistrano po, from Iligan City. First na natutunan ko talaga yung process of grinding tsaka the machine itself. Malaki palang epekto sa outcome ng taste ng coffee. Yung paggawa ng art, medyo mahirap talaga. Definitely, we will recommend Top Creamery. Tsaka lalo na kay instructor namin na napakagaling. Na-expound niya yung lahat ng dapat i-expound. We don't have to ask questions kasi nasabi na niya yung possible questions namin.